A very good evening and Jai Hind to all my dear children. Hope you all are hale and hearty. Welcome to the third module of the chapter, The Refugees. In this module, we will discuss about the new words, word meanings, and also will try to frame few sentences. Now let's begin with the new words. The first word is surrounded. Surrounded means to be all round of someone. Like Jadav Rana was surrounded by his advisors. Second word is advisors. Advisors are the people who give advice or opinion in a certain field. In Hindi, we call it salahkar. Third word is interruption. Interruption means disturbance. Fourth word is permission. Fifth word is urgency. Urgency means something that is very important. Sixth word is scroll. Scroll here is a piece of rolled paper carrying important information. Seventh word is foreign. Eighth word is representatives. Representatives are the people chosen to speak for others. In Hindi, we call it pratinidhi. Ninth word is gracious. 10th word is traditions. Traditions are the beliefs passing from generation to generation. 11th word is trembling. Trembling means shaking. 12th word is hospitable. Hospitable means kind and friendly. 13th and the last word is henceforth. Henceforth means from this time. Now let's discuss word meanings. The first word is advisors. As I told you earlier, people who are learned in a certain field and give advice. Second word is interruption. Interruption means something that makes a person stop what he or she is doing or saying. Third word is urgency, meaning something that is very important and needs to be attended immediately. Fourth word is prevented, meaning stopped. Fifth word is peaceable, means wish to live in peace with others. Sixth word is representatives, are the persons chosen to speak for somebody else or for a group. Seventh word is escort. Escort means to go with somebody. Eighth word is arms. Arms means weapons. Ninth word is armed, meaning carrying a gun or other weapons. 10th word is refuge, meaning protection from danger or trouble. 11th word is till, means to prepare and use land for growing crops. 12th word is burden. Burden means any responsibility that causes a lot of worry. 13th word is adopted. Adopted here means taken into the country and treated as their own. 14th word is blend. Blend means to mix. Now let's try to frame few sentences. The first word is permission. He entered my room without permission. Second word is spotted. Spotted means to point out. I finally spotted my friend in the crowd. Third word is humble. Humble means kind-hearted. He was a humble, courteous and gentle man. Fourth word is frightened. Frightened means to scare. The alarm frightened the thief away. Fifth word is dangerous. It's dangerous to play with fire. So that was all for today's module. Children, I want you to learn all the new words and word meanings, and also you'll try to frame your own sentences with the words given. And you can send it on my personal WhatsApp window. Thank you so much. Stay happy and stay healthy.